Living in the night. Oh, hi guys. What's up? I didn't see you guys there. I guess it's time for my new video today. So this is the skate tool review, not another one. This is my first skate tool. It's an Element one. The graphics kind of worn off, but there used to be an Element logo on it. I don't think you can really see it, because it's like faded. I can barely see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Focus. Yeah, you can kind of see that faded. But, it's a good tool. This doesn't really strip that easily. I've had this for like 2 years and it's still not really stripped. Yeah. It locks in, it doesn't fall out. Yeah, it's a good skate tool. Bye guys.